Hello viewers and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are diving deep into PyTorch indices and slicing. It is a fundamental topic that will help you harness the full power of PyTorch. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced PyTorch user, understanding how to manipulate tensors using indices and slices is essential. So let's get started. Let us begin with the basic syntax. So this is the object name, the start bracket, dimension 1, comma, dimension 2, comma, dimension 3. There can be as many dimensions as you want to mention or you need, but here I have just mentioned 3 dimensions because it is easy for us to understand the 3 dimensions. So the first dimension consists of blocks of rows. The second dimension consists of rows, and the third dimension consists of columns. Note that each dimension is separated by comma. Each dimension has 3 parts separated by colon. The first part is start, then stop, and at the last is the step. And here is how it is mentioned all in one statement. You have a start, colon, stop, colon, step. This is for the first dimension, comma, then start, stop, step for the second dimension, and again comma, start, stop, and step for the third dimension. One important thing to note is that negative values for start, stop, or step means you are starting from the right or the end of the tensor.